that was right overhead.
Not much light in it.
No, it's not really close enough yet.
It's loud. Did he say anything to you while you was out?
Who?
Maybe.
No. You what?
Out there. Most of it's moving north. There's any light in yet.
The worst of it's down there.
You think?
Yes. Because that's where the tornado warning box comes up.
It's right on the edge of the county.
If you listen close, you can hear the sirens somewhere. Off to I think it.
Could be strong.
Yeah, because it covers strong.
Yeah. Well, there hasn't been much rain involved in all of any of it. No. Getting colder. Yeah. I hear. My mind's starting to stand up.
Tired.
I hear sirens. I'd venture to guess it's either Strong or Louisville, but Louisville don't have a fire department, so I'd say Strong. They don't have one anymore?
I think Louisville has a siren though.
Oh, do they?
Yeah.
Louisville used to have. What did they do? Shut it down? I don't know. I don't remember seeing one in Louisville.
Does Louisville have a siren?
They come in on the motel bar we had at one time.
In Henry County.
Like it's home.
Yeah, we're gonna get hit with the southern part of it. I know, right? I hear sirens. I think we're hearing Strong's. That's why I'm recording. I'm waiting for it to happen. There was a bolt over here a while ago that I got.
Yeah.
While I was eating.
They don't look as bad now as it did before. Get back, Red. Get back.
What? Yeah. Oh my God, my dad's truck window and everything else. They're calling for a little bit bigger than tennis ball size hail.
Well, they've said that they've been seeing golf ball and baseball size.
And it's coming up here, so don't be surprised one of them windows over there breaks.
I'd hope it's daddy's truck's windshield, then we get it replaced.
I don't, but yeah. It's not really got that much green to it anymore. It's like a bluish green. I hear more sirens. They're higher pitched. I do.
Tornado on the ground on Post Road in Indianapolis.
Tornado on the ground on Post Road in Indianapolis.
We've been on Post Road more than once. Yeah.
Alex, did you hear that there was a tornado on the ground?
I know.
in Indianapolis on Post Road.
Guys said there's a hell of a line up there on the state line. It's 5 to 6 counties long.
And there's another line off to the west of that, and it's 5 to 6 counties long. That one's gonna be here in a few hours. That's flying. That'll be here before we go to bed. That's what I was talking about. You know we're under a PDS tornado watch. Who? Yeah, well you're the only one here now. They went in. Where was it? I'm sure I got the flash off it. I don't know where it was. This is weird lightning. Can you not tell? Yeah, did you get my link last night? When did you get it? Oh, well, it was good. I saw the helicopter camera that they had was showing a tornado, and then they were showing it destroying homes and farm equipment and all that stuff. I think the channel is called KFOR TV. That one's the same one that talked about the May 3rd, 1999. They kept bringing that up a lot in the live stream. It's still dark in the west and southwest. Oh, I seen it. We were watching Channel 8. There's thunder everywhere. Ooh, God, got a cold chill. Good Lord, there's hail around here somewhere. In the truck. And maybe the car. Here, I'll wheel around here and take a picture of it. Those two vehicles right there. We're gonna lose a windshield or something. Hopefully not, but you never can tell. I'm gonna go over here to the truck and show them the crack that's already in it, in the windshield. If they haven't seen it already, it's right there. It goes all the way across the windshield, so it wouldn't take much but 1 or 2 hits for that thing to be gone. Oh, there's a good bolt to the east. What? Well, see, now I'll get the truck. So we got lightning to the east, lightning to the west, and darkness to the west, and then lightning to the east. It's kind of cold out here. Oh, I didn't get to saying that. Lightning to the west. Lightning to the west. Oh, that's just great to hear. There's a bolt in the west. I am thinking this lightning is everywhere. I am cold. can't believe I missed that bolt. Why is it there? And I was so shocked I couldn't turn my camera around to view it. At least attempt to get a view. We're pretty much in this. I'm gonna take a break for a minute.